Hey folks, this is Vinny Winkler from the Petroka Properties team. I am proud to announce our newest listing here in the heart of Kingston. This is the one everybody's been waiting for. Come on in, let me show you around. As you come through the entryway, this nearly 2,100 square foot, 3-bedroom and 2.5 bath custom-built home boasts a wide open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings and tile running all the way to the wide open kitchen. The spacious living room is warm and inviting with a beautiful accent wall and 2-sided fireplace. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, gas range in the large island with a seating area, perfect for entertaining. The comfortable dining room has room for a crowd with lots of natural light. The primary bedroom has the other side of the double-sided fireplace for warm and cozy nights, its own ensuite, and direct access to the large sunroom with a hot tub. 2 more spacious bedrooms, 1 full bath, and half bath finish off this convenient 1-level living. Downstairs, the partially finished basement spans the entire home, allowing for the possibility of an additional 2,100 square feet of living space, perfect for a home office, additional bedrooms, or gaming room. Upstairs, the extra-large attic space is already wired with its own sub-panel to give you the option to add even more living space to the home. In addition, you'll find an attached oversized 2-car garage and an expansive patio perfect for entertaining. Thank you for taking a tour of 190 Harwich Street in Kingston with us today. If you'd like a private tour, please contact us at the Petroka Properties team, where who you work with matters.